guys, welcome to my vlog. Good evening. So again, I'm back to give you unboxing and review regarding what's inside the box. Sleeper, it's a slide from Dolce and Gabbana. So kararating nilang kanina hapon. So guys, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and you can comment and ask me question and I will reply back to you. So regarding my blog and this channel, it's more on my lifestyle collection, what's going around in my surrounding here in Kuwait or when I'm traveling, and also regarding what are my purchases, how I got a score for branded bags, shoes, or jewelry list that I get it on very cheap price, but still slightly used, but still brand new, you know, and buying brand new stuff like this. So please click subscribe. Thank you. So this is a slip-on Dolce & Gabbana. So ito yung laman niya, guys. May pre-bag siya. Nabuksan ko na siya actually kanina. So papakita ko lang sa inyo. Tinanggal ko na yung papel, ha. Kanina dumating siya kasi kinakalkal nitong dalawang alaga kong yan, no, pinakikailaman nila. Kaya ano siya, tinanggal ko na yung papel, binuksan nila kanina yung box, pinatong ko na naligo ako. So ayan, ayusin ko lang yung camera. So nasa bed kasi ako eh. Okay, so ayan. So eto yung free niya, guys. Meron siyang nylon bag. Okay? Oh guys, ito pa rin nabili ko. Tinanggal ko na yung papel, hinatak nila yan. Ito yung box. Ito yung serial number. Size 36 ako, guys. Actually, guys, itong design na to, ito siya, guys. Dolce & Gabbana black slip-on. Okay? Ito yung ano niya. Tanggalin na natin. Tanggalin ko, ha. So guys, ito yung design niya. Actually guys, meron yung isang design niya, yung may name dito na Dolce & Gabbana. Yung kinuha ko, the one I've got, it's like, you know, plain only. Yung in-order ko online, okay? So I got it from Bloomingdale's. Bloomingdale, Kuwait, okay? Bloomingdale's or Bloomingdale, Kuwait. Okay? So ito yung shoes, ito yung slip-on, guys. Sorry, it's not a shoes, slip-on. Ayan. Yan siya. So, itong design na to, guys, if you can see, this one, it's, kids kasi to, kids design to. So, actually, they have for adult, okay, for adult or men or women, same design, but the tag here, it's different, only Dolce & Gabbana like that. So, since this is kid size, maliit lang yung pa ako, guys. I'm size 35, sometimes 34. So, it's really hard for me to find sleeper or shoes, branded shoes na on my size. So, I usually got it from all my stuff or shoes. I always got it from kids section. Kids sections. Yes, you heard me right. Kids sections. So, this is for kids. So size 36, okay? It's just enough for my feet. Okay? So eto siya. Yan. So ano siya, naka-emboss. Emboss siya, guys. See? You can see emboss siya. Emboss. Yan. So for anyone who wants to find authentic, so this is your guide, guys, para to check if it's fake or original. So eto yung back niya. So it's written made in Italy. Yeah, made in Italy. If you can see, yeah, made in Italy. So size 36. Okay. So may parang ayan, hollow portion siya, yan. So this is made of parang rubber or whatever. This is leather. So guys, leather siya. See, leather. Okay. Bago siya. So, yan siya. This is the front. Emboss. Again, emboss. Emboss siya, guys. So, yung Milano niya, ayan. So, kung nakita nyo, guys, naka-emboss siya sa side. Ayan, naka-emboss. Okay? Tapos yung texture niya, it's sa kid size, it's like parang I don't explain to. How can I explain this one? Something, but if you're going to touch the logo, everything, the crown, the label, okay, yeah, the Dolce and Gabbana Milano, it's embossed, guys, embossed. Here, it's like, yeah, same thing. You can feel the, you know, the logo and tag here. You can still feel it. This one, it's really, yeah, and the size, okay? And make sure, guys, there's a made in Italy. See? Talagang mababasa nyo siya. Ayan. So, same with the other side. So, ayan siya, guys. Maliit lang siya, diba? It's too small. If you're going to look at it, it's really small. But I like the fitting of the kids section. I think they have even 37 or 30. I think the sizes is 32, 34, 36, 38, and 40. They even have 40 for kids, guys. So if your size is like 30, 35, I'm 35, so this is 36 size, so it's enough for me. So my fit is exact here. You know, yung foot ko, exact lang siya dito. It's not, there's no excess, just enough. So talagang siya, yung halo niya na to, sakto siya dito. It's just enough. Fit siya. Tapos dito, it's not over also. Just, it's here, this part. Okay, I'll show it to you guys next time. So, yan siya. So, I don't know why they have this bag. Because, I'm new to blogging for any branded stuff. I have this one before, color white siya. Pero, matagal na kasi yun na ano na siya, open na siya dito. Tinakapon ko na siya. So, but they don't usually have bag like this one. But they said kasi nakuha ko ng before, it's for adults. So this one, for the kids, they have free, you know, beach bag. It's nylon. So, I don't know if I'm lucky or what, or I don't know if all the kids footwears they have, or slip on, they have this one. I really don't know, but I got one. See? This tag. Okay. Yan siya, guys. Okay? Yung box niya. Usually may tag to eh. Yan yung box. Okay, this one. Black. And this one, ito yung tag. Tag, guys. And they have, you know, hologram for authentication. See, yung logo nila. And then, oh yan, may hologram yung sleeper. So, it's original. If you can see that one. So, I think this is the, you know, to check the you know, see? If you want to check the, what goes one, the authenticity of your product. So, I think you can go to the shop to check it, this one. For anyone who going to have an idea about authenticity of the slipper. Kasi may mga fake nito, guys. So, ito yung tab niya. Okay, malabo ata eh. Yan, guys. Size 36. Yeah. Ayan. Hold ko ng konti. Ayan. Yan po. So, I hope, guys, it will help you or anyone who's looking or who wants to check if their product or they get online, they get online for slipper like this, it's original or fake. So you can use this video for your references. Okay? So yan siya, guys. So actually ano siya eh, ano. Tsaka leather siya, leather. It's leather, guys, leather. See? It's leather, okay? See, even this one, it's really like, you can feel this one. Okay? The back. Ganyan siya. Lahat, guys, all the original is like ganitong design. Okay? So, at the back of the sleeper. Yes. And this one is embossed. When you do this one, you can feel it. Okay? Yan. So, please check this one. So, ayan yung front. Okay, guys. Yan, para makita ninyo yung difference ng front side. Sa mga references nyo. Ayan, leather ha. Leather siya. Ayan, okay. So that's it, guys, about the shoes. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you soon, guys, for another unboxing and review. Thank you.